After finished manual electric arc welding work, the welder left the construction site without tidying up the welding equipment. Later, a casual worker came and cleared up the equipment. While picking up the electric cable of the welding set, the worker got an electric shock and shouted loudly. He collapsed and was certified dead on arriving at the hospital. What went wrong? The cable insulation shaft was damaged, leaving the inner live metal part exposed. After the welding operation, the welder had not switched off the welding transformer and disconnected its plug from the power source and left. Before clearing up the welding equipment, the casual worker did not check whether the power supply of the welding transformer had been rendered dead. Besides, he did not wear insulating gloves. When he came into contact with the exposed live metal part of the cable, he was electrocuted and died. How to prevent the accident? If welding equipment is damaged, stop using it immediately and arrange repair or replacement to avoid the electric shock accident. After welding operation, the welding transformer should be switched off and rendered dead by isolating its power supply before conducting clearing up work. When clearing up welding equipment, workers should wear suitable personal protective equipment, such as insulating gloves, to enhance electrical work safety. Take adequate safety precautions and work safely.